everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today. So we got another one of these Rubbermaid sets. I got one before, I did a review on, I still use it, we all use it. It transfers between the family, honestly. You know, you put stuff in, you give it away, they have it, I have it, but if everyone has, we have like 4 of these total now between everybody, so whoever trades it, you know, or gives it, doesn't really matter. If you keep it, you know, it's still gonna match your set. So it's really cool. This was $9, which is really cheap to store anything. I use these for my fish tank, I use them for the pet food, I use them for our food, everything. Like, you can use these things for so many things. I really use these things all over the place. Looks like right there, if you want to pause that, this is what you would be seeing, you know, in the store if you were looking at it. All right, let's see. Now, these are not like a color I would really get. As you can see, they're teal, they're not blue. I only got them because we have the red. Just wanted to change it up for you guys. So now we have both that we do a review on, and now, you know, we can see if anything's different. They're really not, it's just dye, but it's cool. But this is the set that it does come with. All right, guys, that's pretty much the set. You know, you can see what's up. They got, this is the size of this one. You already know the measurement. I mean, this one is what, the 4 ounce, it says. These ones are great for dressing. I use this for the fish tank when I'm gonna feed the fish. You know, put the frozen food in here or whatever, then you can refreeze it or whatever. That's pretty much what we use those for, you know, to transfer it and stuff like that. They're perfect for that. And they go on really easily. See, as you can see, and that's the size of it. Like I said, I like to put the measuring tool in my videos so you guys can scale properly and see what you're buying, you know, because we all like to see what's going on here before we spend our hard-earned money. Be quiet. No one's talking to you. No one's there. No one knows what's going on. All right, then we got this one. This one is the 2 cup, and then we got this, which is the 1.25. This isn't a 1 cup. 1.25 and the 2 cup. You know, you're going to use these for whatever. I don't even know. I mix, usually I'll mix salads and stuff, and I'll put it in here and I'll have it as a snack in front of the TV. This is really cool to, you know, you could throw in your extra food from wherever you're going to have it, whether it's stove, refrigerator, whatever. You could throw stuff in here, go in front of the TV, and you can eat really easily with this one. It's a decent size, so it doesn't spill over. This one's a little bit too small, and you have a chance of spilling over your food. That's the only thing. But this one you could still, like I said, use as storage. Then they got these 2 right here. I thought the set, you could tell the set did change, okay? The red set that I did a review on, I don't know, last year that I got that one, that one I think had like 40-something pieces, because I remember it having more of these. It had like a couple of these and a couple of these, and I don't know, I just remember having a couple more things. But these ones are cool because it has the vented lids. That's the reason why we like this. The other set that I did get had a lot more vented lids. They only give you 2. These are great, guys. You know, vented lids, you put anything in there, you can heat it up in the microwave easily without making a mess all over your microwave, and then you got to clean the microwave, right? And that's a pain in the butt. That's the only thing I don't like about that. Also with the vented lids, you notice that it does keep the moisture into your food. All right, I don't know how you guys cook at home with microwaves and stuff like that, but you know, a while ago with whoever I was living with at the time, you know, started getting me into covering stuff with the microwave. And let me tell you, it makes a very big difference with the food if you cover stuff. It doesn't dry it out. It just keeps it a lot more moist. That's why with these lids, these lids definitely are different than the red ones. That's why with these lids, you know, you put these on, you vent it out, and now all the steam and everything will kind of stay in there and keep your food nice and moist when you make it. All right, I mean, you might have to add some, you know, water or chicken broth or whatever you're gonna do, whatever your thing is, but that's it. But I mean, that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on that. It's just an unboxing, a little bit of an update to tell you what's up on this. Also, red sauce, as you know, if you're going to use red sauce, any kind of tomato sauce, any kind of sauce like that that's high acid, very dark, it is going to stain this if you do not clean these out, all right? If you're not, even if you soak them, it's still not going to come out. Once this is stained, that is it, all right? That's the only thing that I did see a trouble with. You should use glass for that. Any of those kind of products that food products that you're going to be using, I would just use glass. I know glass, you don't have the vented lids, which is kind of a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. Instead of staining it, because the issue is that I have is that when you stain it and then you give it to someone, unless you're going to use it for yourself, you don't care. But if you're like giving food or giving it to someone or handing it, whatever, and they see all those stains in there, people that don't know your house, okay, your friends, your family, whatever, are going to be like, do they clean, you know? And they might not say something to you. It's going to be obviously a subconscious kind of thing, but why have that is that, you know, why have it dirty in there and people are thinking it's dirty and they're eating out of a dirty dish or whatever when it's really not, all right? So that's the only reason I'm just trying to prevent you guys from doing the mistakes that I did with these things. So that's why this is more of an unboxing and an update on them, you know, what's going on here, all right? But that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals up into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back to the channel. See that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the stuff that I do review to let you know if it's broken, stained, or whatever. And then also helping my subscribers out on questions on the stuff that I do review if they need any help on it, right? So everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out.